Can you believe an air conditioner made from wood in Pakistan? Where summers can be incredibly hot, but not everyone can afford electric air conditioning. People have created a natural cooling system using wood. Logs are stripped of their outer bark, revealing the white core. These are then processed into thin, soft fibers that look like wool. These wood fibers are collected, packaged, and sent to factories where workers skillfully weave them onto square frames and fix them with solder. Once completed, these wood fiber frames are installed in windows or ventilation openings in homes, a clever and economical invention.